Hello, Mr. Twy. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Can you hear
Evening,
me
teacher.
well?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm here.
Yeah, good
Yeah,
evening to you. So,
yeah.
how's everything going with you?
Yes. Uh, Today I'm busy. Yeah, I'm busy from evening to afternoon. Yeah.
Oh, all
Um,
right.
yes. This evening, I need to meet the tenants, yes, the customer, and and this afternoon, I uh, I come back my office uh, to work, and I come back home late. Yes,
All right. So, what time did you get home tonight?
uh, about 6:30 p.m.
Oh, 60:30. Oh, yeah, that is actually a bit late, Mr. Twy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Um, Well, it's good because you had a busy day. So,
yeah.
yeah, tomorrow, hopefully, you won't have a busy day anymore. Yeah, actually, me at work, we just had a very relaxing day. There were
Ah,
only few clients. Yeah, it
yeah,
was the complete opposite of your day. Anyway,
yeah,
Mr. Twy,
yeah.
oh, by the way, how's the weather in your place?
Yes. This play have heavy rain all day.
Mm.
Yes, and
Oh,
now the weather is heavy rain. Oh, sorry, the
ah.
weather is raining.
It's raining, I see. Okay, so it's actually the same here in my place. And you know what, Mr. Toy? Yesterday, there
Yeah. Hmm.
was a flash flood next to our city. Like the next
Yeah,
city next to us, I like the city that is next to us, there was
yeah.
a flash flood. Do you know what a flash flood is?
Flood, yes, I know flood, yes. The same in Vietnam, flood and storm.
Yeah, that's right. It was terrible because there were like 5 lives who
Oh,
died during that flood.
oh.
Like, yeah, five
Yes,
people. Three of them are children, and two of
the
them are adults.
yeah, the next city.
Yes, that's right. That's right, Mr. Twy. Like, actually, I'm gonna show you some of the picture of it because this is the city next to us.
Valencia City
Oh, actually, it's not.
news. Yeah,
It's oh, this one, Mr. Twy. It was so terrible like that. This one.
yeah,
This happened yesterday. So look at that house. Yeah, so it's almost covered by the water. And look at the river. This is the bridge and that's the river. So yeah. Fortunately in my area it was just raining so hard, like raining cats and dogs. And um we don't have flood.
flood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. So anyway, yeah, we just have to be careful every day.
Mm.
Anyway, Mr. Twy, like for today, we are going to continue with our lesson, which is all about that holiday. Yeah, we are done
Yeah,
with part one, which is vocabulary. So part two, it's all about the reading and discussion.
yeah.
Yeah.
Reading.
So this time, I will let you read about this short text, which is called Tet in Vietnam.
Yeah. Tết in Vietnam. Tết is the most important or popular holiday and festival in Vietnam. It is the Vietnamese New Year, marking the arrival of spring based on the Lunar New Year. the lunar calendar because of the fact that Vietnamese families are so close connected. This holiday is considered the best occasion for family members to return home and get together. Many Vietnamese prepare for Tết by cooking special holiday foods and cleaning their house. Lunar New Year in Vietnam traditionally lasts for 3 days. People often stay at home to welcome guests to their house or go to their relative and neighborhood house. The elderly will be receive the third holiday gift and wish for health. The adults will be receive the ones for fortune, the success, while the young and children will be receive lucky money. Laws and talk appear everywhere on that holiday these days. Besides, Vietnamese people often go to pagodas by donating money and asking for lessons. Uh, they will receive several looks and fortune. Chung cake is the traditional cake in Vietnam that only appears on that holiday. Chung cake is made from very familiar ingredients to all Vietnamese, such as sticky rice, green beans, and pork, which which is wrapped and green leaves and boiled overnight.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so thank you so much for reading this one, Mr. Twy. So this story actually tells us how do people in Vietnam celebrate the biggest event of the year, which is called the Tet holiday. Yes, so far
yeah,
so good. You are a great reader. All the pronunciations are correct. So do you have any question here, Mr. Twy?
yeah. Um, I don't know some words. For
Yes, like
example,
what?
yeah. For example, so clock
Oh,
nighted,
this one. You say knitted, close knitted.
close knitted. Yeah,
Yes.
and
Okay, this is actually the type of family that you belong to. If the relationship that you have with your family is close knitted, that means that you get along very well. There is no gap between you. Yeah, you get along with your parents, with your siblings, with your
yeah,
cousins, like that. That is the definition of close knitted family. Yeah, like you're very close to them. You get along so well. That's the definition.
yeah.
Any question, Mr. Twy?
Uh, can you zoom in the yes. Sorry, can you zoom in the 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 close?
Ah, so this one, when we say close knitted, that means yet you are very close to your family. You have like a strong relationship with them. You get along very well, like that.
Yeah,
You're not shy to ask them some favors. You help each other because you are very close with them. You are united as a family. That's the definition of close knitted.
yeah. Low
Like
nights.
this one.
Have a strong. phone. Yeah. By United States S1 along very well.
Like that.
Yeah.
That is the definition of close-knitted. Like for
Yeah.
if
So,
you can say, if you will say that, oh, my relationship to my in our family, our relationship is close-knitted, then that means you're very close with each other, like that.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
do you understand that one, Mr. Twai?
Yes, I understand.
Yes. So, any more question?
Uh, Fortune. I don't know work. Fortune.
Oh, that is fortune.
Yeah, fortune.
Yes. So, if I wish you fortune, then that means it's the same with prosperity. I wish you
Yeah.
luck. I wish you more money
Uh,
and more treasures. It's like wealth. That's the fortune. So when you say like this one, Mr. Tai, when you say fortune, that is the
what?
wealth.
Well.
Just like
Yeah.
money, more money,
Yeah.
that's
Well.
fortune.
Fortune. Mm.
Yeah. So any more question?
No, it's okay.
No. All right. Okay, so
Yeah.
since you don't have any question here, Mr. Twai, I'm gonna ask you some questions that are actually here on the right side. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
very easy. You just have to base your answer on the I from the text. Okay, so question one. What do Vietnamese do to prepare for Tet?
Yes. What do Vietnamese do to prepare for test? Uh, Vietnamese usually uh, usually uh, Vietnamese usually uh, cleans cleans the house uh,
Mm,
and decorate the house and uh, and buy the food for the holiday and uh, and can buy everything to uh, to uh, to long holiday for long holiday. Yeah, uh, Vietnamese uh, uh, usually the first uh, the 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 first time the Vietnamese usually cleans the house and the
mm,
second time buy the food and uh, next buy new clothes. Yeah,
mm,
and clean clean the altar, cleaning the altar. Yeah, and
mm.
and go back the countryside, go back
Yeah, that's right.
yes, and 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 uh, and cook together. Yes, and cook together and and make 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 cake together. For example, chung cake. Yes, make
Mm.
chung cake together and cook together. Yes, end of uh, end of day, end of day year. Yes, to prepare for New Year's.
Yes. Well, thank you
Yes,
so
that's
much for sharing that one, Mr. Twai. So, yes,
yeah,
it's very important that the first thing that we really have to do is to clean the house, because whenever the house is clean, then it's like there's no point of celebrating the new year.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we believe that people usually clean their house before
Yeah.
New Year so that all the bad lucks from the past
Mm.
year will be removed. Yes, and they will also like attract the blessings or positivities, or what's that, like good luck to come
Mm.
into their house during New Year, like that.
Yeah.
And aside from that too, like we Filipinos, we also decorate the house to
Mm.
celebrate New Year and Christmas at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know that Vietnamese also decorate. Yeah.
Mm.
So Mr. Twy, what do you use to decorate your house during that holiday?
Yeah. I usually buy the 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 logo for this
Mm.
holiday. Yes, I usually buy the flower. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
in Vietnam have two flower similar. This one is the the đào trees
Mm-hmm.
and my trees, my flower and đào flower. Yeah, the my flower. This is familiar in the South Vietnam and
Okay.
đào flower. This is familiar in the North in Vietnam.
Ah, all right. Yes.
The West usually buy đào or đào
Mm.
flower or my flower. Yes, to decorate the house.
Like, are they fresh flowers, Mr. Twy? Like fresh flowers?
The rest flower. I know sunflower and maybe
I
you
mean,
can
like,
search
are they fresh?
fresh. Yes, fresh, correct. Fresh flower.
Mm.
The farmer plant on the farm. Uh, Before that holiday, the farmer prepare and move into the big city.
Mm.
Uh, Buy for everyone. Yes, the people
Ah,
can
all right.
buy and share and then and sharing is they have.
Mm-hmm. What is it
Yes.
called, Mr. Twy? What do you call that flower?
Đào flower. DIO yes flower in Vietnam. Flower in Vietnam. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. So they
Correct.
actually get it from the trees, right?
Yes. Yeah. Đào
Mm.
flower is, is similar in the North Vietnam. Yeah.
Ah, all right. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
You
in
can
what,
yes.
like, does it grow in every season or is it a seasonal flower?
Sorry.
This
Sovereign.
one,
Đào
is it
đào
a
flower
seasonal flower?
is the flower. Yeah. Uh, no. Đào flower only have sovereign season.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, of course. Because
Yeah.
during the spring season, that's
Uh,
where
yes. Yes.
flowers
Sovereign season.
bloom.
Yes.
Mm.
Because the in the North Vietnam, the third holiday usually have the third holiday is cold. Yes,
Yeah.
the weather in the North Vietnam is cold in third holiday.
Mm.
The down flower is rubber with the weather. Yeah,
Mm.
rumor with the cold. Yes, the spring season.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so thank you so much for telling me about that one, Mr. Twy. And you know what? Whenever that flower is, what's that, common in that event, then the price of it, expect that the price of it will actually increase, or it would go high because the demand of the flowers are also high.
mm,
Yeah, so the higher the demand, the prices, the higher the prices too, like that. But if
yeah,
there are more supply, then of course the prices will go low. Yeah. Anyway, like, what do children receive during that holiday, Mr. Twy?
yeah. The children will be receive lucky money in that holiday.
Yes, that's right. Like you mentioned about that one before. So if you don't mind me asking, Mr. Twy, in your personal experience,
Mm.
um, how much was the biggest amount of lucky money that you received as a child?
Uh-huh. Um, I think maybe about from 50 50,000 to 100,000.
Yeah, so let's say
VN.
100,000
Yes.
VND.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not really as a child. Of course, if you're a child, then this is already like a big amount of money. But if
Yeah.
you are an adult and you are the one giving this money to the child, so it's not actually that big.
Yeah. It-
Yeah.
yeah.
Well,
Um.
mm-hmm.
Yes. So, yes. If your family have many children, you can reduce lucky money
That's
about
right.
yes
Mm.
50,000 VND. Yeah,
Yeah,
or
that's right.
20,000 VND. Yes, it's the main the the ceremony yourself. Yeah,
Yes, that is so true, especially if you have plenty of nephews, nieces, cousins that are still children, then yes, you really have to give them. I like to divide the budget that you have for the lucky money so that all of them will receive. But if you're only going to give to one kid, then yeah,
yeah,
expect that it's gonna be bigger because it's only
yeah,
one kid versus 20. So yes, that's
yeah.
right, Mr. Twight. Okay. So, Mr. Twy, like, aside from chung cake, what other
Okay.
traditional foods do you prepare for that holiday?
Uh-huh. My family usually prepare to make the chung cake. Uh, we need
Mm-hmm.
to to prepare the leaf, the banana leaf, or the
Mm,
leaf. Yes, the banana leaf can take chung cake, or
yeah.
the leaf can take chung cake, and you can prepare the bumble,
Mm,
uh, the bumble tree. Uh, you can cut and repair to the same practice. Yes, to 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 take to take the chung cake, and
mm,
you can prepare sticky rice. You can prepare uh, soy and pork and
mm.
oil. Yes,
Yes, all right. Thank you for sharing that one. You know what, Mr. Twy? I actually searched some other traditional food that Vietnamese prepare for that holiday. And
Yeah.
I've searched about ban chung.
Bánh chưng, yes, bánh
Yeah, what
chưng.
is ban chung?
Bánh chưng is chưng cake. Bánh
Ah, the
chưng the
same.
yes, bánh chưng uh, sap, have sap. Yes, correct, have sap.
Mm.
Uh, square, yes, the square sap.
Ah,
Yes, bánh chưng is chưng cake.
okay. So chung cake and ban chung are just the same, right?
Yes, uh, bánh, bánh, bánh. Vietnamese said bánh, and English says cake. Chưng is now.
Okay.
Yes, chưng is now. Yeah,
All right. Wow, that's really interesting. Thank you for telling me about that one, Mr. Twy. I really thought
yes,
that banchong is different from
yes,
chung cake.
yeah,
Yeah, and you
yeah.
know what? Like, according to the internet, like, banchong is one of the most important food,
Yeah.
like traditional food that Vietnamese prepare because it represents our world, which is the earth. Is that true?
Yes, bánh chưng is very important for that holiday
Mm.
in Vietnam because this is the traditional long time ago, and you you can put bánh chưng uh, on the on the altar
Yeah.
and and put incense
Mm.
and says the ancestor to support me, support everything. Sorry, support everyone. Support my family, support your family for health,
Mm.
for happiness, for lucky, for prosperities. Yes.
All right. So yes, that makes sense, Mr. Twy. And you know what, Mr. Twy? I've heard that before that holiday, you would visit the grave of your ancestors. Is that correct? Like to
Yeah.
invite them?
Yes. Visit to the you just says yes. Correct to the to clean. Yeah.
Like this, visit the grave of your ancestors before Tet. Is that true? Like, do you guys do this?
Grave. Yes. Yes, this is the traditional in Vietnam to clean around clean everything. Yes, and
Mm.
put incense. Yeah,
Yes. So that's how you invite their spirits to celebrate that
yeah.
holiday with you. Yeah. You
Uh,
know, mhm.
yes, Vietnamese always 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 love from ancestor.
Yes. All right. So thank you so much for sharing that one, Mr. Twy. You know what? Like I actually researched some of the things that
Yeah.
Vietnamese people do during that holiday, and I also researched that you also watch lion dances. Is that the same thing with um what's that? Dragon Boat Festival in China?
Uh, the same, not the same.
All
Uh,
right.
yes, will different the culture in third holiday in Vietnam, which the China.
All right. So yes, I would like to discuss it with you more. but
Yeah.
on Saturday instead because it's already time. So thank you so much
Oh,
for uh-huh.
sorry, teacher. Saturday I have to outing trip with my company. I
All right.
off the Saturday. Can you
Oh, okay,
arrange
sure, no problem. Yeah, I can arrange probably in the afternoon.
uh, afternoon Saturday?
Yes. So
Yeah,
don't worry, just
maybe.
message me.
Yeah,
Then we
okay.
will agree on the time.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
I
So
will.
thank you so much, Mr. Twy. Have a good night.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Bye bye.